Welcome back to another Tech Tuesdays, where I give you little tidbits of information to help you understand your router, but more importantly, making sure you're getting the most out of your router. Today, we're going to be talking about testing your internet connection. Number one, make sure all other devices are disconnected. If you're using your phone, disconnect laptops, tablets, smart TVs, other phones. That way, when you go to test, the router knows it only has one thing it needs to focus on. Number two, make sure you're close to your router. Don't be in a room farthest away from the router. The farther away you are, the weaker the signal means, which means your router's going to do a lot of work just to get to that one device to test it. So make sure you're close to it. And number three, just be aware of the time you test your internet connection. It's like regular traffic, right? You don't want to test it around 3 or 4 o'clock when everybody else is out on the internet road. Try to pick times where it's not a lot of high internet traffic area. These three things will ensure that you get the best internet test out of your connection.